Hi, dear players. Hi, Agni. You look fresh today. Thank you, Tom Cruise. Last second. Thank you. So, hi, I'm back. I wish you good luck. I truly do. No more bad things. My name's Rudolph. I'm going to be your host for this session. So, welcome, newcomers. Welcome, everybody. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful Monday. And hello to you, too, Mr. Monopoly. We meet again. Best host. Stop. You're going to make me blush. Last session was kind of fun. We had a 279x on 2 rolls, so hopefully this is going to be an amazing session as well. Because we're starting off with a chance. Let's do it. Mr. Monopoly, what do you got for us?
It's a multiplier.
So we're going for another spin. Whatever we land on now will be multiplied 4 times. It could be anything. So prepare for the fact that it could be anything. So good luck, everybody. Good luck. I am very nervous, but that is to be expected. And that's me letting the nerves out. Two chances in a row. Why not? Why not? Mr. Monopoly. What now? What now?
Let's see what you've got. Wow! It's another multiplier.
That's a 20, basically. So 20x. We'll make another spin. Come on, bonus. Come on, bonus. 4 rolls, please, please. I can't even look at it. I'm too scared. $20x on 4 rolls, everybody. Let's go. Mr. Monopoly, take it away.
Fantastic! A 4-roll bonus. Now this should be exciting.
Have fun, everybody. Have fun.
Welcome. Let's do some building. Aren't we on a multiplier? It's time to roll. Great! Double! It's time to roll. Big number. Let's go. Great. It's time to roll. Great! Double! It's time to roll. Onward! time to roll. Great! Oh dear. Let's do that again soon.
Hello, Noe. How you doing? Good luck to you. How does it feel about breaking? Breaking? Breaking what? It's Chance. Nice. Long time no see. So will we be getting a reasonable fire cash prize, Mr. Monopoly?
It's a multiplier.
So 4x, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what are we getting with a reasonable fire. Break dance. Oh, sorry, Esther. I don't know how to do break dancing. Good luck to you. Also, I think you need like pants and stuff. Aren't on the break dancing? Aren't they like spinning on the floor and stuff? Don't think you like dress would be appropriate attire for it. And we got another chance. All right.
Wow! It's another multiplier.
Well, Mr. Monopoly apparently loves me very much. Good luck to you with 40x right now at stakes. Thank you, Mr. Monopoly. You love me. I can tell that. I mean, 2 rolls with 40x, ladies and gentlemen. Woo!
Wow! A 2-roll bonus. We better get going.
We need doubles, okay? We need them.
Welcome to the board. Let's do some building. But wait, there's more. It's time to roll. Follow me. Great! It's time to roll. Great! Let's do that again soon.
Finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.